Hello kids. So today we're making our first science review session. In this video we are revising for our quiz on Wednesday, December 12th. For this quiz you have to prepare 4 lessons: the skeletal system, the nervous system, the muscular system, and plants parts. You will find them on pages 82, 86, and 90, and also please refer to pages 6, 7, and 8 in the book. Let's start talking about our different body systems. In the first chapter we spoke about 6 of our body systems that work inside our body. They work together to keep you alive. We learned about the circulatory system, the respiratory system, and the digestive system. But for our quiz, we should prepare the muscular system, skeletal, and nervous system. So we have in here the nervous system, the skeletal system, and the muscular system. We will start talking about our muscular system, which is made of more than 600 muscles. These muscles are responsible of all types of body movement, from pumping blood till lifting heavy things. Okay, each one of us has more than 600 muscles in his body. We grow muscles by size and not by numbers. So all human beings have more than 600 muscles. Inside your body you have 3 different types of muscles. Some of them are involuntary muscles, that means that we cannot control them, and some others are voluntary muscles, that means that we can control their movement. Okay, you can see in here cardiac muscles. As we said before, that cardiac muscles are the muscles of the heart, which are responsible of pumping blood through all your body. We also have the smooth muscles. Our smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. They are found in your bladder, esophagus, stomach. So these muscles are involuntary. That means that we cannot control them. They move without our help or without wanting to. We cannot stop their movement. In this diagram, we can clearly see a skeletal muscle. It is called skeletal muscle because it is attached to bones. As you see in this diagram, you have this part which is the tendon. The tendon connects the muscle to the bones. These muscles are found in your body. You can move them and you can stop their movement, so they are voluntary muscles. To grow strong muscles, it's important to eat healthy food, exercise, sleep well, and drink water. Okay, so in here we can see the skeletal system or skeleton. The skeletal system is made of 206 bones, which are strong parts. Bones are strong because they contain calcium. So to grow strong bones, you need to drink milk rich in calcium. Okay, here is some parts of the skeletal system. You can see the rib cage. The rib cage protects your lungs and heart. You can also see the skull. The skull protects your brain. And in here, this is the spine that protects your spinal cord. Okay, one of the smallest bone in your body is found in the ear. One of the largest bone in your body is the pelvis, and the longest one is the femur, found in your thigh. Okay, so again, we have in our body 206 bones. Babies have more bones than us. Babies have almost 300 bones, but some bones join together. They stick together to make one bone. So adult human beings have 206 bones. Now we're going to talk about our nervous system, the nervous that controls all the other systems. Without it, nothing can be done. This nervous system helps us to remember, move, breathe, digest food, lie, think. It is responsible of almost everything in your body. The nervous system helps you to react with your environment. The nervous system is made of 3 parts, as you can see in here. We have the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Again, this is the brain, this is the spinal cord, and these small lines are called nerves. The brain with the spinal cord together form the central nervous system, and the nerves make up the peripheral nervous system. The brain has 2 sides. The right side controls the left side in your body, and the left side of the brain controls the right side in your body. Here you can see the central nervous system. This is the spinal cord protected by the spine. And here is the brain. Our skull protects the brain. Okay, so when you touch something cold or hot, the nerves in your skin will send messages to your brain through the nerves. The brain will explain and will tell you everything, the things that you are seeing, the things that you are tasting, things that you are smelling or touching. So the brain analyzes it all. So we finished with the body systems. We will start talking about the parts of the plants. As we said in class, we have 2 types of plants. We have flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants are plants that bloom, that grow flowers, and they are made of 4 parts: the roots that are usually hidden in the soil, the stem, the leaves, and the flowers. Non-flowering plants show 3 parts: roots, stem, and leaves. Leaves help the plant to catch the sunlight. The stem supports the plant. The roots fix or anchor the plant to the soil and absorb minerals and water from the soil. Okay, the flower helps the plant in making seeds and growing new plants. In this slide, we will start together correcting or solving our first monthly review worksheet. This worksheet covers all the objectives that you should work on in the quiz. Okay, so this is question 1 and it shows 4 different figures. We will start by the first part. Which system does figure A show? This is the nervous system that shows 3 parts. We can clearly see the brain. So this is the brain system, which is the nervous system. What are the 3 parts of this system? We will start with the parts of the central nervous system, the brain, the red line, which is the spinal cord, and all of these blue lines that make up the peripheral nervous system, and they are called the nerves. So the answer would be brain, spinal cord, and nerves. To which body system do parts shown in figures B, C, and D belong to? This is the spine or the backbone. This is the rib cage. And this is the pelvis. All of these three parts are made of bones, so they belong to the bones system called the skeleton or the skeletal system. To the skeletal system. True or false? Figure B shows the spine. Yes, that's right. And here is another name for the spine. Backbone. It's the bone of the back. Spine is the backbone. The spine protects the brain. No, the skull protects the brain. Or we can correct it in another way. The spine protects the spinal cord. Figure C shows the rib cage that protects the heart. That's right. Our rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. Figure D shows the largest bone in the body. Yes, here is the largest bone of the body, and it is called the pelvis. Second question, we have to identify the muscles, the type of the muscles, if they are skeletal or smooth muscles. As I said before in this video, skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. We can control their movement. Smooth muscles we cannot. Our stomach muscles are involuntary muscles, so the muscles found in our stomach are smooth muscles. Muscles of the esophagus, كمان the same idea, smooth muscles because we cannot control their movement. Muscles of your upper arm, we can move our arm and decide when to stop it. So the muscles in our arms are skeletal muscles. Same idea for the fingers, for the muscles found in our fingers. The diagram in here shows skeletal muscles, okay, because these muscles are attached to the bones, okay. So these are the bones, okay, and these are the muscles. These parts that attach or connect the muscle to the bones are called tendons. Okay, again, these are skeletal muscles because they are attached to bones and they are voluntary muscles. The last question in our review sheet is about plants and the different parts of plants. In this diagram, we have a flowering plant because we can clearly see the flower. The part that supports the plant is called the stem. Roots are usually hidden in the soil. They are under the ground parts. And the leaves. Name the plant part that does each of the functions below. Which part of the plant anchors the plant to the soil? Which part fixes the plant to the soil? The roots. Roots have another function or job. They absorb water and minerals from the soil. Sorry, I'll do them again. So flower, leaves, stem, roots. Two different functions for the roots. The root anchors the plant to the soil, and the root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The leaves takes oxygen, or the leaf. The leaf takes the oxygen and the carbon dioxide from the air. The leaf also catches the sunlight that the plant needs. Flowers make seeds, okay, and the stem supports the plant. Okay, good luck in your quiz. If you have any question, you can just contact me, and best of luck, guys. Bye bye.